indicate with a nod. Stand by. Safe and in the barrel. Show clear. Thank you. And we'll come back and get your rifle. You took a third shot there. I'm pretty sure those two were touching.
Yeah, I seen that. I was like,
you always want to
I want to make sure,
yeah.
yeah.
And you make it easy to score. That's a clean run. You got all the shots.
Yeah.
I like that.
Been practicing that.
Chamber flag. All right, range is clear. And it's a clean run.
Thanks.
I wish I had the energy to run down.
Awesome job.
Yeah, I busted ass on that one.
All right.